Good morning po muna sa ating lahat. Good morning po. Happy World Egg Day, Mami.
Good morning, Barbie.
Mami, good morning naman sa inyo. Okay, ang tanong, paano nag-fit ang breakfast po sa aking daily routine? Well, definitely, lalo pagka may taping, ano yun parang treat na yun sa sarili ko, especially if I know I'm gonna have a long day. Parang, I see to it na magda-drive-thru muna ako to get a breakfast from McDonald's kasi nga alam ko, kumbaga parang treat ko na, reward ko na yun sa sarili ko kasi nga alam ko magtatrabaho ako that day. And so, McDonald's never fails naman to give me a treat. And now, sabi ko nga, kailangan natin matikman ngayon yung may egg kasi ang natry ko lang yung yung curry fillet, golden curry fillet pa lang. So, baka naman po,
mamaya, let us taste that.
Diba? Pero yun, para sa akin, very sacred, kumbaga, ang breakfast. Kasi parang, it starts your day, it starts your mood, ganyan. Parang, dun babase yung magiging energy mo, or at least, I'm speaking for myself, yung energy ko for the day. So, I usually have heavy breakfast. Katulad kanina, kasi nandito na ako so nauna na akong umorder ng ng sausage, egg McMuffin, tapos, yes! Pero ang confession ko kasi, hindi ako masyado sa hash brown, mas fries. I eat it with fries. And so, ayun, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. And tama ka, hindi makukumpleto ang Filipino breakfast nang walang itlog. Yes. Malaking bagay talaga ang itlog. Kaya I'm very excited to finally try the golden curry fillet with egg. At saka, I like my egg scrambled kasi. So, I'm really excited about it.
Yes. Nakakatuwa nun. Kudos to Sir Besson team for having the option. Scrambled, sunny side up. I love that. So for you, scrambled.
Yeah, scrambled talaga.
I love that. Thank you, Barbie. And parang nag-breakfast na siya, no? So kailangan mahawa tayong lahat kay Barbie. Let's go!
Yes, let's go!
Yes.
This is what McDonald's breakfast does to you, eh?
Ganon!
Energy!
Exactly. Guys, can you hear a big